Chatty or Chatterbox. Understanding talkative people. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a fun and often used English expression, chatterbox. Have you ever met someone who just can't stop talking? Well, in English, we have a playful term for such individuals. Let's get into what it means to be a chatterbox and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. The word chatterbox is a noun, which refers to a person who talks a lot. It's often used in a light-hearted or slightly teasing manner. The term combines chatter, which means to talk rapidly about trivial matters, and box, which in this context implies a source or container of something. So, imagine a box that's constantly filled with chattering. That's a chatterbox. Interestingly, the term chatterbox dates back to the 18th century. It's one of those expressions that has stuck around because it so vividly captures the essence of its meaning. Over time, it has been used in literature and everyday speech to describe talkative characters and people. Using the term chatterbox is quite simple. For instance, you might say, "My sister is such a chatterbox. She was on the phone for hours last night." Remember, it's a friendly term, but be sure not to offend anyone when you use it. While chatterbox is generally used for individuals, it can also describe groups or even lively environments. For example, the classroom was a little chatterbox before the teacher arrived. This means the classroom was full of chatter. And that's a wrap on the term chatterbox. Whether you're a chatterbox yourself or you know someone who is, it's a useful and fun expression to add to your English vocabulary. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Keep on talking and learning, and we'll see you in the next one.